Happy Labor Day to all the youngsters out there of the United States of America. Hello, people of the United States of America. Happy Labor Day. Well, today I'm here with my good friend Chef Alfredo. Hey, Chef, come to the intro. Well, I'll get Chef Alfredo Al Dente for you, youngsters. Coming, Mr. President. Because whatever you want to cook, then I would love to cook some special recipe. Here he is, Chef Alfredo Al Dente. Hello. Today, we are going to be cooking the special kind of recipe that ever going to like. Chicken pizza for Labor Day. How's that sound, Chef? It's really fascinating. So, why don't we get started by cooking the chicken pizza right now and follow the recipe? Indeed that is. Okay, so why don't we get started right now? Oh, this is going to be so exciting because I love the pizza that I'm ever going to make as a chicken recipe. Oh, mamma mia. Oh, I love to do that. So let's do it right now. On Labor Day. Right. Now the first thing we do is we got the dough and we pat it, and then afterwards we put a tomato sauce on it and we put cheese, and then after that we put chicken on it onto the pizza, and then we put garlic, salt, and pepper, just a little tiny bit. There, that's how we are going to be cooking the chicken pizza. That's how we made in our own recipe. Yeah, so let's get this started right now. Chef, why don't you take over? Because you are the chef. Come on down. Right, Mr. President? So, on the Labor Day, we are, going to be put the chicken pizza into the oven, and we'll wait about I would say 15 to 10 minutes. Oh, this is a really good recipe. Oh, mamma mia. Oh, this is going to be the greatest chicken pizza in the world. And pizza is my favorite fan of all time. Oh, I'm a big fan of pizza. Oh, love me. You better be careful, the oven is really hot. Chef, is it almost ready? Not quite, Mr. President, but it is almost ready. You better hurry up, because I'm starving. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I'll get it out in a minute, Mr. President. Move out of the way. It's my turn. Oh, right. Oh boy, starving like Marvin. Let me just open the oven to see how the pizza came out. Ow, 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 oh! Darn it, it's so hot. It's not quite done yet, Mr. President. Oh, would you just shut up and let me do my duty? This is my thing. Yeah, so? I'm a chef. I'm trying to help you. I don't need help. Let the president do his job. Oh, it's not quite finished yet. Okay, chef. Just let me know when the pizza's ready. You got it, Mr. President. Okay, so about like another 5 minutes. Is it ready yet? Oh, would you please be patient, Mr. President? Oh, I'm trying to do my job. Ding! Aha! All right, now the chicken pizza is ready, Mr. President. Oh, finally. Oh, I'm just starving like Marvin because I'm so darn hungry. I want to eat the pizza. Okay, coming right out. Put the mittens on. I don't want my hands to be burnt. Voila! Mamma mia! Isn't it so delicious? Oh! Wow! How ever did you do that? Well, I just did my duty by making a special kind of recipe. Ah, it's so delicious, so good. The chicken pizza. Wow. Ah, that is so darn delicious. Oh, I've never seen that kind of chicken pizza in my life, so I'll just give it a quick taste test. Ah, it's hot. Chill out, Mr. President. It's very hot. You better be careful. Darn it! Hot! That's hot, I swear to God. Well, do you like it? What do you think? Will I like it or not? I do love it. Well, good. Then eat it. That chicken pizza is so good. I'm a really big fan of it. Well, I'm glad you liked it, Mr. President. Let me taste it one more time to see how this came out. See, I told you that you like it, and you never know if you like it or not. Let me just give it a taste test. Mamma mia, it is so delicious. And it's very hot. Very good, Mr. President. I told you it was delicious. Good. Then, just eat it. How'd you like the chicken pizza that I just made it up? Will come up with the ideas. Oh, it's very good, Mr. President. I really enjoyed it. Well, that's good, so better keep up the good work, Chef. Oh, thank you, Mr. President. I do really appreciate it. Well, thank you all so much for watching my cooking video, so I will see y'all next time for another cooking episode. So, this is President George W. Bush signing off, and Chef Alfredo Al Dente signing off. Well, goodbye now, and have a happy Labor Day of the United States of America. Happy Labor Day. Just move out of my way. Turn off the camera, will you? Ugh.